Okay, I want to say a very big thank you to you all supporting me on YouTube. Okay. So guys, before you tie any gele, there are ways you should know the length of gele you are tying so that if it will be enough for the style or if you can achieve that style. So you don't just start there, you don't say, oh, I miscalculated, because there are measurements for all these things. Of recent I will be the mistake. I didn't even check, I started, so you get. So like this now, we have 3 type of measurements, the party gets to, now we have 60. How to check if your gele is 60? These are the ones you can use for your party gear, those small styles and all. You check it like this. You fold it into 2 equal half, then you stretch it. It goes from your shoulder, look at it. It goes from your tip of your hand to the middle of your chest. So you get. So it goes this way. As it goes this way now, this is 60. This one now, you will just know this is for party guests. Even if it is 4 layers or it's 3 layers, it's for party. So, like I said, that was 60. So whether it's 4 layer, 3 layer, it can't achieve a proper bridal gele. You understand? Now, this now, it's a 3 layer. I think they call it 3 layer away, a 3 layer. So you get. So these 3 layers now, we want to check for the length. Imagine you are a client, you just gave me this. How will I check for the length? I fold into 2 equal half. Look at it. Then you fold into 2 equal half. Fold into 2 equal half. Get. Now that I put into 2 equal half, I stretch to check. So you see, from the tip of my hands to the second breast level is 75. And this also can go, you can manage this for bride. Well, it's not a proper bridal length, but you can manage it, but it won't be that high as you want. A 4 layer or a 3 layer, you can manage it. Because like this gele now, I can use it to tie a bridal fan. You get. But if I want it very big, it has to be 90. So you see, this is also party guest 3 layer 75. The first one was from your hands to the middle of the chest, which is 60. Now this one is also from this one now, it's from the tip of your hand to the second breast level. That's 75. It's like 60, adding 15 to is 75. So now this one I'm going to show you is length 90. That's a proper bridal length. Length 90. So to achieve any bridal gele is length 90, 4 layers. Length 90, 4 layers from the tip of your hands to the shoulder. It can even pass a little, but from the tip of your hands like this to the shoulder. This is how you know a length 90 gele, and this is a proper bridal gele. But right now, this now also it's 3 layer. It can be managed for bride. There are some styles that you can tie that are very big, that the length is okay for. You get, but the proper length, if you want to tie around a bridal is, you need 4 layer of it. Then if you are bride and want it very big, then you need like 5 layers. Okay. Another thing now, I want you to know about gele. It's different texture. You get different texture. Like this now, you will notice that it's more of cotton. So it's looking like a cloth, more of cotton. Like this now can go properly for round, but it might not be able to achieve fan for you. It's just like this 4 fabric now. If you use this for round, use this for round, use this for round, use this for round, you are not expecting the same results. You get, you're not expecting the same result. All gives you different outcome. So guys, right now we want to tie. So different gele texture, different outcome. This has wool, and this crantess, and this is super net gele. No, this double net, well, this is super net. You get, this is super net gele. You get, so this is a double super net. This is a crantess, and this is more of course. So guys, and there's also a luma shoki. That one you don't, it doesn't have joining. You just weave the one you want to get. Like the 4 layer now is 90 by the 4 layer is 25. So like that. So guys, for today's class, I will be using this one to tie to achieve
something.
Alright guys, so you're welcome to my class. So first of all, before you tie any gele or before you lay any gele, make sure the hair is well arranged. That's if it's not a proper laid frontal. You understand? If not a proper laid frontal and it's just normal hair, you use your edge control. And for some gele, you have to be careful. If you are using a black gel or a black edge control, but most of them can stay. You understand? So you have to be very, very careful. And also, you watch the makeup before you go and brush the makeup instead of the hair. It's called edge control, not makeup control, not skin control. It's edge control. So guys, after dressing it, before we start our gele proper, Now you will also notice that this also gives your gele beauty. You understand? I know no matter how you're rushing or so, just try. This also adds to the beauty of your gele. It also adds, no matter any gele you are laying, it also adds to the beauty. It always adds to the beauty. So now you can see the hair is properly laid. Just imagine her or makeup now. See how nice it is. You get. Okay, I want to say a very big thank you to you all supporting me on YouTube. Okay.